Isn't this fun, eh? But we have some sad news to share with you. We're reaching the end of our evening, which means we've actually reached the very end of our evening with the Overtones tour. And can we say how honoured and pleased we are that you've all come in the middle of the week to spend your night with us doing what we love to do, which in turn makes you happy, which in turn gives us incredible joy. So thank you all for being here. This is called an evening with the Overtones, but for us, this really is an evening with you guys because you put such big smiles on our faces. And thank you, thank you, thank you for being here and celebrating this tour with us tonight. And whilst we're saying thank you, please thank our extraordinary band one last time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. We love you. Thanks, everyone.
So to say thank you to you, we'd like to sing you a love song, because we love you. And it's a song about a rainy night in a place called Georgia, which is a song about missing someone. And we will miss you all until we see you next time, which we hope is very, very soon indeed.
Seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. A rainy night in Georgia. A rainy night in Georgia. It seems like it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. Hear a distant calling of the train. It seems to play a sad refrain to the night. A rainy night in Georgia. Such a rainy night in Georgia. And I believe that it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. And I take my guitar to pass the time. That hot night when it's hard to rest, I'll hold your picture to my chest and I'll feel fine, fine. And it's a rainy night, it's all over the world. Have you ever been lonely and you feel like it's raining all over your world? I'm talking about rain, 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 rain. I feel like it's raining. over the world.
Everyone, thank you so much. We love you with all our hearts. We're the Overtones. Good night.